Guys, it's been an incredibly long day. We've been editing, uploading, doing a bit of biz dev and reaching out to people, finding out what we're going to do for the next couple of weeks and planning out the rest of the road trip. But we are headed back on the road, leaving Twin Elm Guest Ranch, and we're heading back to Austin. And tonight we're going to have a big barbecue eat-off, true Texan style. Let's go.
We've arrived to Terry Black's BBQ. It's going down.
We just make it if we try. Right, enter this way. This guy, he doesn't listen to me.
Oh yeah, y'all are coming from YouTube, right?
Yes, that's right.
Let me get my manager for you.
All right, thank you. Look at that.
Hospitality already started. I like that.
She knows what's up.
I want to eat some barbecue.
Brisket and sausage. So if you guys just want to find a table, I'll get you a nice tray together. Do y'all want sides?
Oh, everything.
Right, cool.
Yeah, we're gonna have an eating competition, so as much as you can do. Thanks so much, Mitchell.
Thanks, guys.
Thank you.
See you in a minute.
I like this place already.
So I'm top here or down here? I can smell the barbecue. It's just aroma all over the place. So good. Exactly.
Right. Here we go.
Now that's what I'm talking about. That won't be even close to a problem. Now this.
You guys can eat all that too. So I got the lean brisket here for you. I got some moist brisket.
Yeah.
I've got jalapeno cheese sausage, and I've got original sausage. And then I got the cream corn, coleslaw, mac and cheese, pecan pie, a couple of banana puddings.
2 pounds of cream corn?
Yeah, it's a quart. Come on, you guys an eating challenge. I'm like, all right, let's see what
I
back.
think you can do this. I think you can do this.
You guys want plates, or you just want to dig in with your fingers?
Plates might help.
Alright, so if you look right here, we got 2 different kinds of briskets, 2 different kinds of sausages, all the trimmings right here, and even better, we got Austin beer. We're having the real Texas experience right now, right here, and we gotta eat all of this food. So, hey, I hope you got in you, because I'm gonna eat it all.
Okay, so you guys are wondering, Parker went home yesterday. He went to go see some family and friends and stuff that he's got to be close to, personal reasons, and that's all good. He's going to be joining us very soon. And Russia has been under the weather. I'm also fighting the same thing, but I'm not going to let that affect me. We are going to handle this.
We will prevail.
And Josh is going to put the damn camera down, and we are going to have a 3-way eating competition tonight. I think it's going to be who can clear the plate the fastest in 30 seconds.
Me.
All right?
Look at this. It's amazing. Boom.
And destroy your...
Oh, we'll get pretty... I think we'll get through it all.
I don't think we will. Well, we might. No, you're right. We totally might.
Yeah, you gotta hook it to the sausage.
Okay, ready?
Put that down. You can't have anything on it.
Alright.
All right.
Welcome to Terry Black's, and this is the eating contest. 1, 2, 3, start.
No way. Too soon.
Oh, 30 seconds.
I think I won that one.
I think that one's pretty clear.
Well, who won then?
You won.
You won.
Obviously. That wasn't even a problem. Are you having fun there, Brendan? Poor guy just can't handle his barbecue, man.
Thank you for being our judge. That's
No
incredible.
problem.
Gentlemen, thank you for being the judges.
You got it.
Who won in the end? Who won?
I think you.
I thought I won too. Hold on, let's look at these plates. Yeah, Josh, you're way too polite. What is this?
I'm Asian, I'm sorry.
You know, I think Justis won.
I think it's really easy to say because
You won, buddy. Congratulations.
thank you guys.
This meat right here is very tender. Like, I think this is the most tender meat I've ever had. And what's great is that you can pair it with this sauce they have here, original sauce. And look, when it goes in your mouth, it just...
What does it do? Show me. Show me.
Meat! And it literally just melts. It melts. It melts. You know the term, it just melts in your mouth? I thought it was just for M&M's. But now, it applies to Terry Black's meat. And if I had known it was going to be this soft, I would have been shoveling it in my mouth more so I could beat you guys?
I am a man that does a lot of barbecuing back home. I grill it, I smoke it, I do everything. I even put it in the oven if I don't have a barbecue around me. But this stuff right here, I think it dissolves in your mouth. No.
We finished about 1/4 of the fixings, but they were delicious.
It's all about the barbecue.
To me, it was the easy part. It's those sides, man. It's
Yeah,
the
the sides get you.
Yeah, once I heard Indian contest, I'm like heavy sides.
Yeah, heavy on the sides, that's what gets them.
We've had a little bit of Texas barbecue this trip, but you know what? Yours was the most juiciest. Don't tell Kathleen, but you guys did really well.
I appreciate it.
Yeah.
Well, we appreciate it, guys.
Yeah, thank you
very much.
Yeah, you have a good night, man.
It was a pleasure.
Take it
Take
easy.
care.
Nice meeting you, man.
On to the next adventure. Let's go!
Was it 6th Street? We're going downtown.
Cover right there.
Cover right there. I like that vibe.
This is fun, editing.
Horses! Seriously.
This is it for 6